Here I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, let's open settings. Then you have to go to the security section, fingerprint. Select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll just select PIN. Tap yes. Then you have to enter your PIN. Then confirm it. Then you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just don't show notifications at all. Then tap next. Then you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, and tap it with your finger several times, like this, for it to remember your fingerprint. And now you can, for example, unlock your device without entering PIN, with only just your fingerprint. You can unlock your device without even pressing power button, just lay your finger on the sensor and it will be unlocked. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.